Assalamu alaikum, class second year. Today we are going to start our second lecture. Any question if you have about previous lecture, then you can ask me on our WhatsApp group. Okay. Our next topic is modern periodic law. The second name is Moseley periodic law. In 1930, Moseley discovered atomic number. First he discovered atomic number, then he introduced this law. After the discovery of atomic number, periodic table was improved. Improvement is based upon modern periodic law. This law states, if elements are arranged in ascending order of their atomic numbers, their chemical properties repeat in a periodic manners. The periodic law, then Moseley removed defects in Mendeleev table. Number 1. Because all the isotopes of an element have same atomic number, so they have only one position in a periodic table. Okay. Next point. The position of misfit pairs, as we studied in our last lecture, potassium and argon and nickel and cobalt, have been corrected in this table. An extra group, eighth group for noble gases have been introduced. It means Moseley discovered another group, noble gases or rare earth elements group or zero group. The position of zinc and cadmium and alkaline earth metals has been corrected by introducing two types of subgroups A and B. The alkaline earth metals are placed in second A group and alkali metals are placed in second B group. According to this group, to the modern periodic law, there are 8 groups in periodic table. These are represented by Roman numbers. 1 to 8. Each group is divided into subgroup A and B. The subgroup A contains typical or normal elements, while subgroup B contains transition elements. The elements of a group have similar properties. All elements in the same groups have similar properties. After this, we come towards periods. According to this horizontal rows known as periods, there are 7 periods in periodic table. Now I will discuss with you, dear students, turn by turn. First period. The first period contains 2 elements. They are hydrogen and helium. This is shortest period. Second and third period contains 8 elements. These are called short period. The elements of these periods are normal elements and belong to subgroup A. In these periods, the property of every 8th element is similar to the first one. For example, lithium is similar to the sodium, boron is similar to the aluminium, and so on. Fourth and fifth periods contains 18 elements. These are called long periods. There are 8 normal elements. 10 are transition elements. In these periods, property is repeated after every 18 elements. For example, properties of potassium are similar to that of rubidium. Sixth period. In sixth period there are 32 elements. It is first long period. It contains 8 normal elements, 10 transition elements, 4 inner transition elements. These are called lanthanides. This is great achievement of Moseley law for the introduction of lanthanides. They start from cerium to lutetium. They have very similar properties. These are also called inner transition elements. Seventh period. The seventh period is the last period in periodic table. It is second last period. It contains 2 normal elements, 10 transition elements, and 4 inner transition elements. These are also called actinides. Or inner transition elements are rare earth elements. After Moseley also introduced some other properties of periodic table. I can summarize in this way. First, a group is called alkali metals. When alkali is hydrolysis, then always base and hydrogen is evolved. Basic solution is formed. Second, they are called alkaline earth metals. Seventh group is called halogens because these are salt forming. For example, when chlorine as a halogen combined with metal, sodium chloride is formed. Dear students, you know sodium chloride is common salt. And eighth group is called noble gases or zero group elements blocks in periodic table. There are first A and second A group are called S block elements. Third A and fifth A are called P block elements. These are called P blocks elements. You can see there. First A and second A are called S block elements. From third A to eighth A are called P block elements. These are called D block elements or lanthanides, and F block elements are also called as actinides. Thank you for joining us. Our next topic is metals